Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you want to start an online store with Shopify in 2025, in this video, I will show you how to set up your Shopify store. This video is your step-by-step guide, no experience needed. By the end of this video, your store will be up and running, ready to start selling. First of all, go to shopify.com. Now, click Start Free Trial button. You will enter your email password and store name. Select where would you like sell, like an online store, in person, at retail store. Then click next. Who is best to describe you? I'm already and I'm not selling yet. Then click next. What do you plan to sell? Product I buy or make myself, digital products, etc. Or print on demands. Then next. Now sign up with email or Google account, Facebook account. Just enter your email and password, then click create Shopify account. Now log into your account. It will be taken to your Shopify dashboard. This is your control center for everything. For now, you can start on the free trial. No credit card needed. Let's add your first product. From your dashboard, click products, then add product. Now add a title, description, photos, category, price, inventory. Choose the shipping settings and click save. Now let's make your store look amazing. Go to online store, click explore free themes. Choose a theme and click customize. Inside the editor, you can upload your logo like that. Select it and click theme settings from the left sidebar. Now click the logo section and click the plus icon and upload your logo from here. You can resize your logo like that. Then rearrange sections like testimonials, featured products, etc. Keep it clean, mobile friendly, and focused on your products. To accept payments, go back to Shopify homepage. Then go to settings, then payments. You can choose Shopify payments for credit cards from here. Click supported payment methods, add payment method, and search from here like PayPal or Pioneer, Stripe, like any other payment method like Post, Trustly. Third-party gateways if you are international. And enter your bank information so Shopify can deposit your money. Next, go to settings and shipping and delivery. You can offer free shipping, flat rates, or carrier calculated rates from here. Shipping labels, click calculate rates, and you can calculate from here the shipping rate. Set up different zones from shipping option. based on where you are will deliver, like add location, click on add location and search for US, then click save and add shipping zone, add more. Now you can create market from here for any other country like that. Add package size for accurate rates. Free shipping can boost conversion. Just include it in your product pricing. You need tricky pages before launch, about us, contact page, refund and shipping policies. Go to online store, then pages, then add page and create each one. Then go to navigation from here and add those pages to your main menu and footer. Now it's time to make your store live. Go to settings, then domains. You can buy domain through Shopify. Click buy new domain. Search your domain name like myshop.com and buy one from here, or connect one you already once from connect existing domain tab. Enter your domain here and click next. Then follow the instruction. Once you're ready, go back to your dashboard and remove password protection under online store. Then preferences and remove it from here. Then click save in the upper right. Your store is now live to the world. Before we warp up, here are some quick launch tips. Install key apps like just.me, SEO booster, and email marketing tools. Use Shopify analytics to track your traffic and sales. Add Google Analytics or Metapixel if you will run ads. Start posting on social media to drive traffic. And that's it. Your Shopify store is now is ready to go in just a few steps. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, and see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.